I'm Danny with Revolution Machine Tools. Today, I want to talk to you a little bit about our S-FAB PDM 912. It's a pivoting dual miter semi-automatic saw. 60-degree miter to the left with a hard stop at 45, hard stop at 90, and a hard stop at 45 to the right. When I say semi-automatic saw, semi-automatic in the blade returns or the bow returns to the up position when you're done cutting, as well as the vise can be set up manual or semi-automatic. This saw is set up to do production cutting. You have a quick stop. You can set your material height on the bow so it returns just about an inch or a quarter inch above your material, and just be feeding all day long. So that way you're not having to lift your bow and get your arm tired. A couple other standard features: carbide inserts for blade guides, your pressure gauge to tighten your blade, flood coolant, no coolant, or optional mist coolant. Heavy duty base. You have your foot pedal so that if you're trying to work, watch your material, and you're just feeding things through, you can operate from off to the distance. Let me show you how easy this is to rotate. So right now we're at a 45, 90, hard stop, 45, hard stop, and then you lock your saw. The vise can come to either side. I'm going to show you this little bit vise as well too. So I have my bow locked up. I'm going to go ahead and start the saw. You can see it has about an inch of movement, and that's in the auto position. Stop it. Then for this cut, I have a little piece of a 3-inch square tube that I'm going to cut for you. We'll go ahead and use the foot pedal for that one. So you get it just about within an inch. Like I said, you can have it set for just above your material height, but for the video purpose, we have it set a little bit higher. I'm going to go ahead and start with my foot position or my foot pedal, and then adjust my pressure for my down. I'm going to come down a little bit quicker than I normally would, and then slow it down right before I start my cut, as well as you have your blade speed. Saw's very smooth, very nice, easy to use. We have lots of other models, perfect ones for your shop. Jump on www.rmtus, see more models. And then it returns to the up position. The clamp's then going to loosen. Once again, thanks for watching. Check us out at rmtus.com.